Hello everyone, it's Paola and I'm back sitting down and talking to you. I feel like I haven't done this in forever, but I'm so happy to be here because I just really want to start giving a lot more career advice and helping you out on this channel, and that's what I'm here to do today. We are coming up to the end of 2024, which is insane to say, but I think that now is a really good time to start resetting and changing things, and that's what I'm doing with my career right now. And you do not have to wait till New Year's Day and start 2025. You can start whenever, and I've just been so inspired lately to reset, restart, and just plan everything in a new, fresh way. So this video is going to be a lot of advice about how to reset, restructure yourself if you are an artist or graphic designer and you're feeling a bit burnt out, or you just feel like you need to do something new and you're like, okay, it's the end of the year, everything's kind of dwindling down, but you can kind of bring that energy into the new year instead of just trying to start fresh at the new year, and maybe that will feel overwhelming. So now's the time. Let's take advantage of how we feel and embracing change. I'm so excited about this actually, so let's get started. If you are in a creative career, you may feel stagnant or burnt out, and honestly that's how I was feeling. I was feeling like I had ideas, but I was kind of stuck. I couldn't even start them because I felt so overwhelmed by all my thoughts, and I felt a little bit stuck in my growth on social media or posting my art, and it's just not a good feeling. So I completely reset my brain, something clicked, and I am taking the initiative to change things. And I feel like that's probably where a lot of artists are at right now, especially with what's going on in the world. There's just so much bad and so much harsh things in reality that making art can feel like the last thing we want to do. Being creative can feel like the last thing, but it is so important to stay creative and stay true to yourself and just push forward in resistance to what's going on in the world. One of my main tips for beginning this reset and refresh and taking this energy into the new year is actually cleaning, physically cleaning your workspace. So yes, I really think you should reset your workspace, whether that means moving your desk to a different side of the room, rearranging things, maybe just changing your setup in a little way, adding some nice decor, actually cleaning it, clean up the messy space, get all the messiness out of your physical space so that your mind can also clear. I really believe in this. My environment affects me so much, and when I feel like my environment is ugly and drab and cluttered, my mind gets so overwhelmed and I don't want to work, and I don't want to work at my desk. I'll go work somewhere else, and then I'm wait, I'm being lazy, I'm laying on the couch working and I'm not getting anything done. There's just so much to that. So sometimes you just need to reset your space and you will feel 10 times better, I swear. My next idea to get started in this new renaissance of yourself and your creative journey is to go out and get inspired. So what inspires you? Think about yourself, think about your personality. What inspires you? Is it actually going to an art museum and looking at art and getting inspired by all of that? Or is it even outside in nature? Are you inspired by nature and the colors of nature? What really excites you and also brings you peace at the same time? For me, I love going into the city, going to art museums, being surrounded by cool things, going to cafes, and actually getting out of the house sometimes just really helps me. I love going to the beach. That makes me feel very happy and calm, and I just like to be outside in general. Lately, I have been sitting out on my balcony and scrolling through Pinterest and other things that inspire me, and just breathing in fresh air and looking out and just really enjoying a nice evening out on the balcony and thinking about new ideas. And that has really helped me feel calm but also productive. My third big tip is watch somebody who gets you going and inspired with whatever you want to do with your career. Whether that's me literally right now telling you these things or someone else. I've been watching some YouTube channels Busy Blooming is business help for content creators. Since I'm a content creator and designer, it really helps me refresh what I want to do and what type of content I want to post for you guys. Come up with all those ideas, and watching these channels has helped me so much. So hopefully watching me can help you too if you're a designer or content creator or artist getting into your work. This is my video for you because I'm so inspired by those people making advice videos that I wanted to make one. And this in turn has inspired me to reset my Notion. So I'm actually like resetting everything on Notion and changing everything, and I will show you a bit of that now. So using Notion is perfect for if you are, you know, a content creator actually making a schedule like that and what to post and ideas. It's also good if you are wanting to just post your art or you're wanting to get more organized for like freelance and stuff. So I get it. There's like so many ways to use it. This is not sponsored. I'm just talking about it because I love it. But anyway, I have a lot more pages in detail now. So what I'm working on is like content eras now, so I'm gonna like post with kind of different themes going on for a few months at a time and just start planning quarterly, planning ahead. I have a finance tracker to track my freelance gigs or my brand deals as a content creator, but this can be great for your mind if you're overwhelmed with that part of like the business that you're running as a creative. If you are overwhelmed by like the money side and all of that, finance tracker can really help. And in my content strategy page, which is where I'm just resetting everything and writing things out and writing down ideas of what I want to do with myself, I've also made a mood board. So I think it's really important to create mood boards no matter what you do as a designer or artist. If you're a content creator like me too, it's so important to make mood boards and just get inspired for yourself to get started on something new. I personally was screenshotting other accounts that I like in this mood board and putting it together to be like, okay, what do I like about these things? What do I look for when I look at content or when I look at art online? Like what really inspires me? So I put that together and then I wrote down some notes from my mood board of what they actually are utilizing. Like, is it colors? Is it certain frames, like pictures, the way it looks, the way it's stylized? Like I'm just getting really inspired visually as well for what I want to do with my work. And then I have a whole new social media page. I'm going to blur some of this out because you don't get to see what's coming up for the end of the year, but I have planned through the end of the year, and that's what's incredible, is that I am so on top of things right now, and actually coming up with like a little bit of a theme for myself for the next few months is like helping me come up with so many ideas of what to post and how to help you guys and how to design cool things for this era of myself and my life. It really just helps me with a lot of ideas, and it's just helpful to have a schedule on Notion as well. Even if this was all like freelance projects or something, like it's just really nice to organize myself. So I encourage you to do it too if you're into that. But yes, it definitely has helped clear my mind out and gets me excited to start work in the day, because I'm like, ooh, let's check the Notion. Like, what do I have to do today? Let's do the to-do list and the tasks, and it's just very fun and rewarding. So if you're a freelancer or designer, I figured this would help. So my big last tip is maybe this is a really good time to start working on your portfolio or start changing your portfolio. I make a lot of portfolio videos and I love helping you guys out with portfolio stuff. So ask away, ask questions. Let's talk about portfolios if you need help. I have lots of videos on my channel and I am always here to help. So I think it's a great time to get started on some new projects, new passion projects, and I'm gonna have more videos about that coming up soon. But yeah, I'm just like really feeling like now's the time to take control of what you want. So if you're feeling a bit burnt out with your artwork, just try something new. Try something you haven't done before, or just start refreshing your work and putting it out there and posting it, or putting together your portfolio for a professional setting. If you're looking for a job, now's a really good time to start, instead of thinking, okay, I'll start in 2025. Just start, and then you'll be ahead of the game, and you can bring that positive energy and productive energy into the new year and be excited, because that's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to like stop myself. I'm trying to just keep going, keep pushing, and a lot of good things are happening just from trying. I also think now could be a really good time to get started on learning new design tools or new programs or a skill that you haven't done before. So think about that as well. So I really believe that you can do this no matter what career you're in. I know as creative people and artists and designers, we can feel a lot of stagnation in our work, and I feel it a lot. I totally get you. I'm right there with you if you are like feeling down. I've been there, and I immediately was like, well, how do I fix this? Because I know I'm just gonna go into a deeper and deeper hole of it. And so it's like, I took control. I watched some videos, I reorganized my Notion, and I got started on new projects to excite me to go into the new year. So that was my advice for this video, and I hope that you liked it. I have some cool, like, more advice to share, videos and projects and stuff, and I hope that they will inspire you, because I'm very inspired right now, and I'm making lots of content on all my platforms to hopefully help you out as artists, especially on my Instagram as well. I'm posting on TikTok more too, and here also. So always come back, always subscribe, always like. I'm just happy you're here. But anyway, if you liked this video, please like it, and I will see you in the next one, and we will chat more about our careers and our artistic journeys. So if you have any questions or things you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comments. I would love to talk more about this stuff and getting organized, getting productive, like feeling good as artists. How are we doing? Checking in. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.